Good morning, class 10. Welcome all of you in this mathematics day, statistics. Yesterday I had prepared one video. How will you find the mean? Direct method. There are three methods to find the mean of given numerical data. Direct method, assumed mean method, and a step deviation method. As I have told you, step deviation method has been deleted for this session. So you have to concentrate only on these two methods, direct method and assumed mean method. Yesterday I have explained direct method. Today you will see this second method, assumed mean method. Now you see the question number second. Question number second, I have already explained you which method is suitable for which type of question. If number of observation is very small, the direct method is suitable. Although you can find by any method, the result will be same. But for convenience point of view, if the number of observation is small, direct method is appropriate method to find the mean. And now in this question you see the distribution of daily wages of 50 workers in a factory are given like this. This is daily wages in rupees, and these are the number of workers. 100 to 120 frequency 12, and similarly. So this is called class interval. So if the wages are 100 and 120, so such number of workers is 12 like this. So class interval and frequency, these are given in the question. Now you see what columns are required to use this method. First of all, you will find the deviation. And now first you find the class mark, xi. I have already explained the average of these two limits, lower limit and upper limit. That is class mark, the 100 and 120, 220 by, so this will be 110. And similarly you can find here, so this will be 130, and this will be how much? 150, and this will be 170, and this will be 190. So these are the class mark. The deviation, now you see in the class mark you have to assume. Assume means imagination. Imagine कर लेते हैं, मान लेते हैं कि number of देखिए observation here 5, so no problem in finding the assumed. So this is A. So A is equal to here, A is equal to 150. Now question is, if there is an even number, suppose ये number और भी होता है यहाँ, तो उसमें suppose number of 6, so this will be observation 3 or 4. Any one observation you can assume, so the result will be same. So no problem in this. But if the number of observation is odd, so no problem in finding the assumed mean. A is equal to 50. Now you find the deviation. Deviation means xi minus A. So 110 minus 150, this will be minus 40. 120 minus 150 minus 20. 150 minus 150, this will be 0. This will be 0, and this will be now positive. 170 minus 150, 20, and this will be 190 minus 150, 40. So this is deviation, and this is known as in the formula DL. Now you find the product of the frequency and deviation, so that will be Fi DL. So minus, this is minus 20. So minus 40 and 20. So this will be you find the product. So this will be minus how much? 480. And this will be minus 20 into, this will be minus 280. And 0, so here will be 0. 20 into 6, 120. And 40 into 10, 400. So this is the product of frequency and deviation. Now you find the sum of this product, F5BA summation. So to find the sum, you find the sum of all the negative numbers and all the positive numbers separately. That will be easy. So this will be 0 added 1631 minus 1 minus 70760, and this positive will be 520. And find finally the sum of these two. So you will get negative minus plus minus 0. This will be 4 and this will be 2. Minus 240. So minus 240 is the product of this. And now you put the values in this formula. You get the A plus. So mean is equal to A plus summation F5BA upon F5. So A is equal to minus 240 plus. Now A is equal to how much? We have 150, and this will be minus 240 upon summation of frequencies 4 up to 6 or 8, 14 or 6, 20, 0, carry over 2, 3, 4, 5, 50. So this 50 will be in the denominator. Now again you see class interval and frequencies. This will be given in the question. Now you have to find the class mark xi. So this is calculated by finding the sum of these two limits, lower limit and upper limit, divided by 2. So this will be 220 divided by 2, 110, 130, 150, 170, 100. This is the class mark. डी आई इसी क्लास मार्क पे हम ए को सपोज करते हैं. सो दिस विल बी ए हाउ मच 150. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. और इसका जो हम प्रोडक्ट निकालते हैं F5BA. सो दिस इंटू दिस 14 इंटू माइनस 20 and 8 into 0, 6 into 20, and this is 400. So now you have to find the sum of these. So this will be negative minus 480. So 110 minus 150 minus 40. 130 minus 150 minus 20. So this will be DA. Find the product of these two. So the sum of these two will be minus 760, and this will be 500. And this is the formula. So now you see 150A plus sigma F5BA minus 240 upon sigma Fi how much? We have found that 50. So now you see the class interval and the frequency. I have to see how much. 100, 120, frequency is 12, 120, 140, 14, 140, 168, 160, 186, 180, 210. And now you find that class 1, this plus this by 2. 100, 120, 220, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190. DI निकालते हैं this minus this. 110 minus 150 minus 50. This will be minus 20. This will be 0. क्योंकि 150 minus 150, this will be positive 20 and this will be 40. Now this is DI. And DI you multiply by the frequency of each DI. 12 into minus 40 minus 48 minus 480. This will be minus 280. This will be 0. This will be 120. This will be 400. And now you find the sum of these two. So how much sum is? This will be minus plus minus. This will be 520. 520, this will be minus 2. Now put this value in this. So this denominator is already of this. So 150 प्लस इसको कैंसिल कर लेंगे ये, तो ये हो जाएगा -24/5. इसको पॉइंट में निकाल सकते हैं. तो ये 150 प्लस माइनस माइनस 5 4 20 4.8. इसको हम माइनस कर लेंगे. 150 minus 4.8. This will be nearly 145.2. 145.2, this is the mean of this given data. So this is assumed mean method. You see here, we have the required columns. These two will be given in the question. 3 extra columns you have to fill. One for class mark, XI. Second column, other column will be deviation, DI. And this is calculated by subtracting the assumed mean from each class mark, and then you find the product of frequency and deviation, find the sum, you find the sum of frequencies, and this is the formula. Mean is equal to A plus summation of DI 105. How calculating you will find that. So these two methods you will try to solve, and here I would like to re-explain that if the number of observation is bigger number, larger number, then assuming mean method will be suitable. Although if you find this same question by direct method, the result will be same. But for convenience point of view, one more question I have to see. Question number 3. You have to find the frequency. This is class mark, and this is a frequency Fi, and this is XI class mark. And now you can find by any method. Suppose direct method, Fi, XI. Class mark is 11, 13, 15. Continuous class, the lower upper limit will be the lower limit of the next class. So that will be. So this is another type of question. In this question you have to find the missing frequency. So first you see the frequencies 7, 6, 9, 13. I will explain only. And this missing frequency is F, 5, 4. Now you find the XI, this plus this by 2, you know that 12, and this will be 14, 16, 18, 20, and this will be 22, and this will be 24. Now FIXI, this will be 84, although you can find by assumed mean also, but I am using direct methods to find this missing frequency. 14 6 84, 16 9 144, and 13 8 18 is 54, 5, that is 18, 5, 23. And this will be 20F, and this will be 110, and this will be 96. You find the missing yes, sum of frequencies. 7, 6, 13, and 9, 22, and 13, 35, 37, 41. 41 plus F. 41 plus F. And this will be this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus 20F are there. यहाँ पर ये sum of these whole numbers. Mean is given here. Mean is given 18. So you will use that formula. 18 is equal to summation of this. A number आप छोड़ दिए हैं. You will find. So this will be only important thing, and you have to divide by 41 plus F. And you simplify by cross multiplying, you will get the answer. So this is the method to find the missing frequency. And first I have explained the assumed mean method to find the solution. So that's all for today, and you will try to complete 14.1. So one thing you should remember, larger observation, assuming mean will be suitable, smaller number, direct method is suitable. Thank you and have a nice day.